Hello everyone, this is HM1 Marone from NMRTC Bethesda, and today we're going to go over the Navy Cool website. From Google, type in Navy Cool, first link. Alright, Navy Cool stands for Credentialing Opportunities Online, and it's a website that allows you to submit an application and get a voucher to pay for a bunch, hundreds of certifications or credentials related to your rating. Come to the bottom, this website also offers links to your ratings ladder, the Learning and Development Roadmap, as well as the bibs for your Navy-wide advancement exams, and those are lessons for another day. But we're going to go up top, go to rating. We're going to use the corpsman rating as an example because I'm a corpsman. And this second tab, related credentials. And you can see in the hospital corpsman rating, there's 329 credentials that you can get paid for through Navy Cool. These different columns, you've got attainability, medium, low, or high. High means it's easier to attain, medium, and low, it's more difficult. These cherry peppers here show that these certifications are in demand. Navy Bucks, this means Navy Cool will pay for it. These different pay grades under the ladder column, they tell you the credential is recommended for that current pay grade, but you don't have to be that current pay grade. You can go higher or lower. It's really up to you and what you feel you're confident enough to attain. Also, the GI Bill can also pay for credentials, and the accreditation, this tab just tells you what body accredits this credential. You can see NCCA, ICAC, and I'm not sure what those are, but they're accredited. Cool. So there's a lot of corpsman related credentials, but there's also leadership credentials for all E4 and above sailors. So you click here, again, related credentials, and you can see there's 32 leadership related credentials. So for the sake of examples, we're going to start and look at the Certified Associate in Project Management. It's got chili pepper, meaning it's in demand, it's hot. The agency is Project Management Institute, PMI. The attainability is high, Navy Cool pays for it, and the GI Bill will pay for it too. Let's click this. We have a description of what it is, the minimum requirements. It takes education. Other, not sure what that is. You'd have to visit the PMI website to see that. The fee, how much is that? Doesn't matter. Navy Cool will pay for it. That's what's awesome about Navy Cool. Exam requirements, it's written. You can take it in person or remotely, meaning online. So the renewal period, 5 years. And agency contact information, it's got an address, a phone number. But I would just Google, check out the agency's website and see what is required of you. Okay. So let's say we picked the CAPM as a credential that we'd like to get. Next, we got to fill out an application. So we're going to go up top to the menu. Here you got the credentialing steps. We've already knocked out number 1. We've selected a credential. Number 2 is complete that voucher. All right, this is going to be a voluntary credentialing. Most of them are these mandatory cyber IT, CSWF credentials. I'm not too familiar with, so let's stick with the voluntary, which is the majority of them. All right, you're going to check all these boxes saying that you are eligible to use Navy Cool. An E7 or above can authorize your application so you can send it to Navy Cool. You can see all the requirements. They're pretty standard. What I thought was interesting, you need at least 2 months on your contract from the day you get certified in order to use Navy Cool funding. So if you are planning on separating, you can still use this up until close to your separation date to get certified. So this Get Form button hasn't been working recently, so I'm going to click this one, Voucher Form. And this is what the voucher looks like. Pretty simple. It's 4 pages. You're going to fill out exactly your information. Here we've got some drop downs, your pay grade, your component, active duty, full-time support, select reserves. your rating. Here, certification license exam. We're doing the Certified Associate in Project Management. Credentialing agency, that is Project Management Institute. Hopefully I spelled that right. Location where you intend to take the exam. If you want to take it in person, just put the location. If it's web-based, you can put web proctored. Date you intend to take it. Say today's early October. We want to take it on Halloween. Okay. Again, most of these will be voluntary credentials related to your current military occupation, but you can see there's other options. You don't need to put any comments here. Part 3, you're putting verifications. Read them all. Ensure that you meet these requirements. Check the boxes. This is for your command approver, which can be an E7, an O1, or above. All right. So we're just checking boxes, verifying that this is all true. Okay. You're gonna type your name, and you're gonna electronically sign with your CAC. Okay. Once you sign it, you can send it to your chain of command, an E7, a W1, an O1. And again, we're focusing on voluntary credentials. They're going to check the boxes, put in their info, they sign it, and then they return it to you. Once they return it to you, you can email it to Navy Cool. They've got a simple email, which is navycool@navy.mil. In my experience, I've used Navy Cool a total of 6 times, and I usually get a response, a voucher code from Navy Cool within 24 hours. So pretty awesome. So once you get it off to them, you get a voucher code, or depending on the agency, they might need your login info for that agency's website, and then they'll go in and pay it and then respond to you and say, hey, it's paid for, now you can go in and schedule your exam. From there, it's all on you to pass that exam, okay? You're going to get that credential. Keep in mind, if you don't pass, you don't have to pay the money back, but Navy Cool won't fund another exam for you to take, okay? So it's one shot at it per sailor, and you need to, just pass. If you don't and you still want to take that exam, you're going to have to pay out of pocket for it. And then lastly, you need to report your results to Navy Cool. Whether you pass or fail, it's very important that you follow up with them and let them know if you pass or fail. Okay? So that's it. Navy Cool, the website, it's very easy to use, very easy to navigate. And the team, they're based in Florida. They're very responsive, and they'll get you a voucher, I'm telling you, within 24 hours. And then it's really on you. Go to the agency's website, Google resources, study material. It's your job to take that exam and pass it, and then report to Navy Cool afterwards. So keep in mind, in the Navy, we get warfare devices that puts letters before our name. When you get certified, that puts letters after your name that can be very valuable in the civilian community when you do get out. So good luck to everybody. If you have any questions, please put it on the page. And thanks for listening.